So I have been having this Herbalife shake all week. I love it and I can't wait to share the recipe with you guys here today. Okay, so we'll be using the cafe latte flavor for our F1, our main start of today. And then of course pair it with our PDM. So I've got the vanilla flavor here that go really well. It makes the shake so creamy, like texture wise and taste wise. And then also we're gonna add our fiber complex, the apple flavor. Okay, so and then I'm gonna add a couple more extra ingredients. So here we have just a very small bunch of cashew, toasted cashew, and also a little bit of cinnamon powder. Okay, so the cinnamon powder is really entirely up to you. If you like it, you can add more, but for me, just it's about a quarter of a teaspoon that would do. So you can already kind of guess what this will taste like. We got apple, we got cinnamon, we got nuts and cafe latte. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay, let's go. Okay, because we'll be mixing F1 with our protein drink mix, so I'll be using water as our liquid base. Okay, so just about 300 ml. Okay, if you want it to be less thick, then you can use a bit more. Okay, that's about right. Okay, so in the powder, so always do the liquid first, so that will make sure that the powder doesn't stick. So 2 scoops of protein, of F1, and then 2 scoops of our protein. Yeah. And then don't forget that we have our active fiber complex to add in for today. Okay, so if you're working on weight loss, adding extra fiber in your shake is a must. Okay, just 1 scoop. Okay, the fiber can make your shake very volumey and quite thick too. Okay, so there's our cinnamon powder. Drop it in, and then our nuts. Don't go too crazy with the nuts because nuts are quite high in fat as well. So we want to, control the amount, control the calories too, yet still receive the benefit from all the ingredients. Okay, now let's blend it. Oh my god, this is so good. So in total, there's about 287 calories in this shake, which makes it a great weight loss breakfast because it is low in calories and very high in nutrients. And there's about 25 grams of protein here in total, which makes it protein balance, or you can call it protein rich, which is very important in weight loss, right? Because we need adequate amount of protein to help us boost metabolism, to help, keep our muscles in there, to prevent muscle loss while we're losing fat. And also having good amount of protein in a shake keeps you full longer as well. So, as I always say that for a weight loss shake, it's important to keep it protein balanced, right? So you have to use your Formula 1 together with your PDM or your PPP. And also, don't forget to adding the fiber and also the healthy fats. And also, it's very important to remember to keep your shake calories under 300. Okay, it can be around 300, but if you can keep it under 300 calories, that is an ideal healthy weight loss shake. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's shake recipe video. And if you want to see more Herbalife weight loss shake recipes from me, let me know in the comment below. Okay, and I will be happy to share more of my favorite home secret Herbalife healthy weight loss recipes with you guys. And if you guys are interested to work with me, have me as your Herbalife coach, you can check out how to get started with me from the link below. The best way for you to get started is by filling out this free wellness evaluation form. Okay, from there I can take a look at your data and I can give you a personalized suggestion and recommendation on what is the best weight loss package, what is the best weight loss plan for your body goal. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.